What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Lando Success and Money in the building. So I'm actually going to do this live because I just seen a notification saying the SEC saying something about Coinbase staking. I don't know. Let's look at this live. So I haven't read anything about it. I just Google SEC Coinbase. Coinbase under SEC scrutiny over its crypto staking program. Like, wow, come on, dog. Staking is a key source of non-trading revenue for the exchange. Company is committed to production discussion with the SEC. Now, this would have been good if Kathy Wood knew this and said this as an excuse, but she didn't. So watch her trying to switch her words. Like, oh, I knew this was going to happen. You ain't know that. Coinbase Global said it's being probed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange over a staking program, which allow users to earn rewards for holding certain cryptocurrencies. The company has received investigation subpoenas and requests from the SEC for documents and information about certain customer programs, operations, and existence and intended future products. According to the quarterly regulation, following the requests related to Coinbase staking program, assets listing process. Staking services are offered. We understand what staking is. In shareholder letter Tuesday, Coinbase said the SEC may send a voluntary request for information, including about its listings and listing process, and it doesn't know yet if the inquiry will become a formal investigation. The crypto exchange is under scrutiny by the SEC. Man, a lot going on here. This is a lot going on. What is y'all thoughts in the comments? So I'm trying to see how serious this is, because did they write this in their earnings report? Like, let's see. First, let's see what's Coinbase stock price. So the price is actually in the green last 5 days, and this is after hours. So it's actually not doing bad, but I want to see Coinbase investor. I want to see, is this news that they put out yesterday and everybody reacting to it today because nobody read it. I didn't read their earnings at all. Shareholder letter. Crypto down market, building the future. Yeah, I don't think I heard anything about it anywhere else. So I would do some more research on this situation and let you guys know exactly what's popping. But this is interesting stuff. Let's see what they're talking about on Twitter, because I get it from Watcher Guru, I believe. TCH. That's where I seen it. So you see it right here. Hour ago, the SEC launch an investigation. Things are getting weird now. I'm going to need to leave Coinbase and move to cold storage. So if this is the case, this can affect every staking program. But the difference is, what people don't understand, that's why I said it's safer to have your money in Coinbase for the most part, because Coinbase, y'all have to understand, is a New York Stock Exchange company. They have to have everything regulated. Everything had to be very, very open and transparent. All these other exchanges don't. So we know exactly how much Coinbase making, what they're doing with their money. So they possibly can't have staking, but Binance or somebody else possibly could. I don't necessarily know. This is interesting. Let's see if Coinbase have responded to this yet. Let's see. 2 hours ago, payment activity on Bitcoin Lightning Network is up 4x over the last year. Nope, just talking about some monies. All right, that's all I completely get. Let me know what y'all thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm Lando Sess. Talk to you guys soon.